Hello YouTube. We have a VW Volkswagen Up in our yard today. It's a white color, 15 wedge. The engine code is CHYA and the gearbox is QCT. Exterior paint code LB9A, and the exterior, the seats and paint code is JM. It has an accident on a side, driver side. The door is gone. Driver side, front and rear is, and the wing and light is damaged. Front bumper is repairable. So we just take a record of the engine. You can see how it sounds. There's no any strange noise from the engine there. The engine is it's locked. Very nice. There's no any strange noise from the engine, so I can say the engine is absolutely fine and it's all in a good condition. It's done. Only 45,000 miles. Dashboard, seat belt, all working good. You can see stereo is all good. Climate control, everything is working perfect. So inbox me for any parts you need. Thanks a lot for your watching. So please subscribe. More videos coming, more cars are coming. If you need any part of this car, we can post it for you. Subscribe. You might need some parts and you can see where if we have it. Thanks a lot for watching.